Hey, how you doing, guys? I hope you're doing great. So this video is about cardio, meditation, and go beyond and trust yourself. Now, these are videos for you and for me. So these are hand guide videos for creators that need some guidance, and I'm here to tell you from my experience, and I'm sharing my knowledge, wisdom with you. So if you find anything useful in this video here, or any videos that I'm doing right here, then give it a like. I can see that people are liking the videos that I'm doing, and that's great. If you want to be part of the community, do what works for you. I'm just doing these videos that will uplift you guys so you can do the things that you need to do, because we need to support each other as creators. So I'm just doing my part, and hopefully someone who's seen this video probably will do their part to uplift other people as well. So I'm keeping it simple and I'm keeping it real with you guys. So there's no there's a lot of things that I've gone through that it's going to resonate with you straight away. Some of it might go over your head, and some of the stuff that might not gel with you, but you will find certain things that work with you. But this is my experience, and I've been getting great results doing this, and I'm sharing it with you. So if you like this video, like, and if you are going to join, subscribe, do what works for you. Anyway, I'm going to get to the topic: cardio and meditation. Meditation is the best cure for, well, it's therapy. It's the best therapy that will help you to become what you need to become, because it will cleanse out all the negative stuff that's in your body. So your mind and your body, that the work that you're doing, you need to make sure that it's in good shape. I ain't talking about losing weight, but you can lose weight anyway, because it's going to help you, because you can move things. You're not breathing heavily, you're not doing all that stuff when you're animating or you're drawing or you're playing music. You can do things when you're flexible. You can move around, and it's just easy. Doing cardio is the best. It's the best cure. It does everything, man. It's like it saves lives. It has saved my life. It has actually helped me become why I am today, and it has saved so much of my time where I don't have to go to the gym. I used to go to the gym, but I started to notice where I was getting more results doing cardio, staying at home, and I could just do it at home, and I could just do the work where I don't have to walk 15 minutes going to the gym and then 15 minutes going back home and then take a shower, blah, 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 long. I could do it all here at my home. I don't have to go outside and do my jogging. I know people could do all that, but that's just, for me, I don't have strong knees. I could do it, but it's going to, it kills. And I remember I almost passed out when it was 2020, and I thought people were looking at me for I was about to pass out, because it was it was funny because they thought I had something or caught something, and no, I just didn't know it was so much work. I thought, obviously I'm not used to jogging outside, and especially it puts so much on the knees. So I said, nah, cardio does it for me. So I figured that out. That works for me. It might work for you. So people who do jogging, that's great. Do what works for you. For me, I don't have strong knees like you, so I do have strong knees, but don't have the strong knees to do that. That's not for me. So yeah, I started to figure that out. So but yeah, I tried something and it didn't work for me. So that's the whole point of life. You try things out, not for me, move on to something that does work for you. So another thing as well, something has changed completely for me. Meditation. Buddha be praised. I'm happy that meditation has changed everything. Just double checking that time, because I obviously don't want to go over time. It has changed everything for me. It has cleansed out so much things, and I've started to know myself more, and I started to discover things that I didn't know that I could do. Well, I knew, but I needed to sit down with myself so I can figure out who I am, what I'm supposed to be, and what I'm here to do on this planet. So I have found my purpose, my peace of mind, and I know the value that I have. So the proof is here. So I'm going to show you and build a world that I want to see. So if you're working on something, this is what going to change for you. Meditation, if you're, it's like it's definitely the best therapy, and cardio, workout, whatever works for you, is the best therapy that cleanse negative thoughts, mental health issues that's going through people's lives right now. This is something that it's going to change completely. Sit down with yourself, heal yourself. It's going to, well, like I say, if you're going to do the work that you want to do as a creator, you need to make sure that your mind and your body is in good shape to do the work that you want to do. If it's not in the right place, you need to make sure that it's in the right place. So keep your mind focused, detach from things that are not helping you. Plus, there's another thing that causes mental health issues, thinking about what other people think of you. I just delete that one time. You know what? Doesn't even work for me now. It's before, when I was much younger, I used to think what people would say, but now I just say whatever I want to say. I could say this, I could say that. And I used to hear people telling me, oh, don't say this, don't say that. I could say what I want to say because it's my voice, it's my choice. Okay, I freestyled that. I don't meant to say it that way, but it worked, so I'm just going to roll with it. So it's going to change things for you. It's going to help you, and it has helped me. So I'm going to tell you how it is. I'm not going to sugarcoat certain things like, I'm saying all this, but it doesn't work the way you think it works because I'm just saying all this like just to make you feel good. No, I'm saying this because it actually has helped me, because as creators, I can see that there's people that need this guidance, and I've started to notice that once I've started to know who I am and know what I need to do, I can see that people will probably need this kind of guidance, because there's no hand guide how to solve these kind of issues. So for me, I wanted to share my experience with you, and it resonates with you, great. I'm going to just tell you how I'm experiencing it from my point of view. And for you as a person watching this, you will have to basically look at the things that I'm talking about right now that might click with you, that you're going through right now. So if your body's not in good shape, get it in good shape so you can do the work. You're going to kiss yourself, double checking the time, 7 minutes. You're going to kiss yourself, and you're going to realize that I wouldn't say thank God, but I would say thank the metal gods that you have done the work now than later. If you've done it later, it's going to be costly. It's going to save so much. Well, it's not going to, I'm going to say, I don't want to like downgrade people. I want to make sure that people are up there. So I want to motivate you guys. So it's better if you do it now than later. If you don't do it now, you're going to wish you'd done it now. So that's another thing as well. Go beyond. You need to think big, don't think small. And if you have people who are not going to, it's like I said, you're going to meet people that are fools in disguises, that say they have your back, but they don't really have your back. They just have their own agenda where they want to push their vision and not your vision, because they don't see any value. But you're doing the work, and you're in the race, about to finish the race, and they haven't done the work, where they could say all these things, but where's the results? It's good if you've done the work and you can do this, because you could talk all day because you know the work is done. And if they want to see it, they have to wait, because at the end of the day, if they helped you from the beginning stages, they can see it. If they haven't helped you, why would you as well share your stuff with someone who didn't have your back from the beginning? So to me, I could say a lot of things now, because now I can say, well, I'm proof. The work's been done, and I'm going to say how it is. They can't say nothing more, because I'm living proof that the work has been done. And I'm telling you right now, as a creator, if you're going to get things going for you, the first thing I would say, yes, keep your body in good shape, go beyond, surround yourself with good people that are going to help you. Trust yourself, trust in the progress that you are working on. Even if you don't know, if sometimes you might have thoughts where you don't know where it's going to go. You know where it's going to go, but you don't know how it's going to work out. But like I said, the universe, the subconscious system, whatever you want to call it, it has your back. I don't know how to explain it, but if you're on the 5D, you will know what I'm talking about. If you're on the 3D and it's over your head and you're saying, I'm saying all this stuff because sometimes people, like I say, if you know, you know. If you don't know, then you have to basically know, oh, wake up. If you're sleeping through all this and you don't know what is going on, then I don't know what to say. Basically, the ones who are awake will know, like, oh, yeah, yeah, I know. Most people ain't gonna go, wait, sleep, because they know that they can't be fooled with the same stuff. So yeah, let me go back on topic because I don't want to go off topic, but there's so much stuff to talk about what's going on with the world, and also the reason why I want you guys to keep your body in good shape so you can do the work that you need to do, and you're going to thank yourself later because now your body is ready to do the next work. Once you complete that task, you're moving on to the next task that's going to help you later. So always remember, set yourself up to move to the next stage, so later on you're going to collect the benefits from your labor, because you don't have to worry about doing the work now or doing the work later, because the work has really been done now. So if you're going to start today, start whenever, plan out when you need to plan out, keep your body in good shape, meditation, Buddha be praised. I hope this video is going to help you out, and I hope this video is going to get you where you need to get to. This is just something that I wanted to talk about because I'm here to motivate creators like you. So what I'm doing, that's helping me. So cardio, meditation is the best therapy. Go beyond and trust in yourself. This is your destiny, and you need to be surrounded by people that will help you get there. But make sure it's small, make sure they are reliable, make sure they are going to help you become the person that you are now. So they are your makers. Makers have value, fakers don't have value. So like I said, if they're going to be in a race with you, they want you to win. We are winning together, so we need to support each other so we can get to the next stage in our life. It's your time, so I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Do what works for you. I'm just here to share my knowledge, wisdom, motivating you to do the work that you need to do, because these are guidance for you to get to your next stage. No one's doing it. I'm doing it for me as well. So you're doing great. I'm doing great. Love you all. Have a good day. All the male creators, all the female creators, keep doing what works for you. So have a good day. Love yourself. You're doing great. Have a good day. Bye-bye.